What's up YouTube? I am your host, the Internet Income Ninja, back with another video of how you can earn money online. Before we jump into this video, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. It looks like that. Smash the notification bell that looks like that. Like, comment, and share for more amazing information on how you can earn money online. This video is going to be a short one, and it is a review about a company called Ysense. And Ysense allows you to earn extra cash online. However, if you're not into just earning extra cash, then go ahead and check the links in the description below that teach you how to start a business that will allow you to earn $1,000 or more per day. I'm not jerking your chain, I'm not pulling your leg. Per day you can earn this money. Alright, so what's Ysense? Well, let's scroll to the bottom of the page. We will see an About Us button, and it says Ysense.com is an online rewards website for those looking to earn extra money from all over the world. So it's not just US based, it's not just for people in developed countries, it's not USA, Canada, England, Australia, it's around the world. You could be in Africa, the Caribbean, you could be in South America, around the world. Okay? Now, as a member of the Prodigy LLC family, we support market researchers and others who rely upon the power of consumers, offering our members a variety of reward opportunities, whether you take surveys, complete online tasks, or complete other offers. There's something for everyone to easily make money online. So you can sign up for their reward affiliate programs, for their rewarding affiliate programs. And how this works is they offer one of the most lucrative affiliate programs online with unlimited earnings potential. Affiliates can earn commissions whenever their direct referrals complete surveys, simple tasks, and other offers. We make it easy for our Ysense affiliates to earn rewards along with the members they refer, enhancing their benefits from our program. If you have any questions about Ysense market research or our earning opportunities and affiliate programs, you can contact us at any time and we'll provide additional information. You'll find plenty of chances to earn rewards when you visit Ysense as we continue to expand our business. So they're always adding brands, they're always adding products, they're always looking for brands that will align with them. And here are some of the brands that they have under their belt: Offer Toro, Peanut Labs, Tap Research, Polefish, Sample Cube, Opinion Surveys, AdSend Media, Scent Surveys, Samplicio.us surveys, your surveys, Opinion World, Toluna Influencers, AdGate Media. And those are the brands that they have under their belt, through which you can have the opportunity to share your opinion, share your information, and earn money. And as they said, whenever you get someone to sign up, not that you have to, but when you get someone to sign up, here, let's look at this. Share Ysense so you can become an affiliate and start earning today. So share Ysense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. You can earn up to 30% recurring commissions on what your referrals make. Okay? So if you had one referral and that person earned $100 through their efforts and their opinions, you would get $30 off that $100. If you had 10 people making $100 through Ysense, then you would be getting 30% from each person. If there's 10 of them, you would be getting $300. Do you see where this is going? And that's just from your referrals. That's not even from what you're doing. Okay? So take advantage of our simple linking tools and eye-catching banners. The more you promote, the more you earn. So Sign up commissions. For each referral that becomes active, you will earn a sign up commission of 10 cents or 30 cents from select countries, and you can see what countries those are. So depending on the region that the person signs up from, they'll get a sign up bonus of 10 cents or 30 cents from select countries. Now, 2, once your referrals earn their first $5, excluding commissions and bonuses, you will also earn an extra $2 bonus. So once they reach the threshold of $5, you get $2 bonus. So it'll be $2 plus the sign up bonus of 10 cents or 30 cents for select countries. Okay? So you will automatically get $2 once your referral earns $5, or and 10 cents or 30 cents depending on which country they sign up from. Next, activity commissions. For every approved survey offer your referrals complete, you earn a whopping 20% commission of that which they earn. Now, you can increase your commission level to up to 30%. The more active your referrals are, the more you earn. So you get sign up commissions and you get activity commissions. Okay? So once someone signs up, you get 10 cents or 30 cents. Once that affiliate reaches $5, you get an additional $2 bonus. And as they become more active, every survey offer that they complete, you get 20%. And if they remain active and become more active, then your earnings from your group will be bumped up to 30%. Great? Sounds great, doesn't it? I know. So guys, this is amazing. Check out Ysense. Heck, I'll leave a link in the description below. Check out Ysense, become an affiliate, and share it with your friends, family members, and so forth on social media. That's probably the easiest way for you, unless you have a YouTube channel or an Instagram, but that's still social media. But if you have a blog or something, you can let people know about this. But share this video, get people in on it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like the video, comment on it, and share it with everyone you know. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you all the best in your money making ventures online, and I know you'll do well because you got your tips from this channel. Again, stay safe. Places are opening up and everybody is enthused about going out in public and so forth, but just be mindful of your surroundings, just be mindful of yourself, and continue to stay safe. Still sanitize, still wash your hands, still do all these things. Alright gang, so thanks again for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to feel free to let me know what you think about the opportunities I've shared. Let me know what you think about the links in the description. Let me know what you think about jobs, about life, about your dreams. Let me know in the comment section. Alright, speaking of comments, I don't know what's happening, but there have been a few people who have commented and YouTube isn't allowing me to view the comment fully. So when I click on it, the comment itself doesn't show up for me to respond. So let me see what's happening with that. But to everyone who has commented, thank you so much, and I'll do my best to sort that issue out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.